Hello there, and welcome to How to Be Awesome. Part 4. Now, today I'm going to show you how to walk downstairs the awesome way. Now, this takes more than just walking down, because that is not awesome. If you have one of these, and it's safe, you don't jump. If it's not safe, you jump. But this is how to walk downstairs. Awesome. Now, that's awesome if you do not have something like this. But as I have something like this, I must show you. Now, as you see here, I am at the highest point of these stairs. Now, I'm going to jump and probably risk my life. And that's going to be awesome. But thanks for watching.